welcome back. Today is, I can't tell you the day, but today is Science Experiment Day, my favourite day of the week. So let's welcome the day in as we get ready to do our science. Are you ready? The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what day is Science Day? Yes, you got it. Let's take a look at the calendar. If yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, it means today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. But what is the date today? Can you help me, please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Today is Wednesday, June 17. Hoy es el miércoles, el 17 de junio. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like today with you? Oh, well, here, believe it or not, it's actually a little bit chilly today. It's not cold, but it's a little chilly. So I'm going to sing about it being chilly, but the weather is different with you. You sing about what the weather is like with you, and we will meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today. Chilly was the weather. C-H-I-L-L-Y, 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 and chilly was the weather. My friends, today is Science Day. Let's take a look at what we are doing today. My friends, today we are going to make a tornado. I'm so excited. We're going to make a tornado and it is super simple. Let's take a look at our tray. All we need today is a jar with a tight fitting lid. I have a mason jar. You can also use an empty soda bottle for this, a plastic bottle, as long as it has a tight fitting lid. I have enough water to fill this up 3/4 of the way full. So around about here, 3/4 of the way full. I have some washing up liquid, some dish soap. We just need a couple of drops of dish soap. And I also have some glitter. You can put around a teaspoon in. This is all the glitter I have left at the moment, so that is what I'm going to use. Remember, use what you have in the house. And the glitter is just to make it look a bit sparkly. You don't really get glitter in real tornadoes, but you can use it if you would like to. Shall we make it? Let's go. First of all, we take our jar, take off the lid. Place it to the side. We are going to fill the jar about 3/4 of the way full. Listen as I pour the water in the jar. We're going to add 2 drops of washing up liquid of dish soap. 2 drops. Ready? Oh! Did you see that? It's squared in the wrong direction. 1. I put 3 in just because I didn't think very much came out, but you can judge it for what you think 2 is like. Then I'm going to put in my glitter. I have some red silver glitter. I'm going to put the lid on very tightly. And the next thing we're going to do is shake it. Shake it up, mix it up. Mix it up and then spin. And what you'll see in the jar is a tornado forming. Can you see? I also did one without the glitter in, so maybe you could see it a little bit easier to see what's happening. Are you ready? Let's spin. Shake, 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 shake. Can you see? The tornado. And that is how you make a tornado in a jar. I I cannot wait to see the tornadoes that you come up with. Maybe you could take a little film. If you're not already a member of our Facebook group, a little community that we have together, please have a look in the description for the link. I also post on there the materials that you will need for the wink. I can't wait to see what you come up with. To finish off today, I thought we could sing a little song, kind of a little rhyme in Spanish, just about the weather and the importance of the weather in a sense. It's just something fun to finish off on, considering we were talking about weather and tornadoes. And it also has our letter sound of the week in it. Tiempo. Tiempo, which is weather. And it's called ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? What is the weather like today? It goes like this. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Hace buen tiempo. Hace calor, hace sol. No hace mal tiempo. Hace fresco, hace viento. El tiempo no me importa, porque estoy feliz. El tiempo no me importa, mis amigos están aquí. It's a really sweet song actually. It means, what is the weather today? What is the weather today? The weather is good today. The sun is shining and it is warm. It is not bad weather today. It's fresh and there is a breeze. But the weather to me is not important because I am happy. The weather to me is not important because I have my friends with me. It's a very beautiful song. Okay, let's finish off today with our pranayama, our breathing exercise. And obviously, let's pretend we're a tornado. So you can stand up and spin if you want to, but be careful in case you get dizzy and you fall down. Make sure you have space. I'm going to sit and I'm going to move my arm as if I'm spinning. Ready? Breathe in and out like a tornado. And in. Would you like to see our tornado one more time before we finish? I do. I'm so excited about this today. Ready? Let's. I love it. Goodbye, friends. Come back tomorrow. We have gardening. We have some super fun. Maybe it's a little bit icky gardening to do and some more songs. I can't wait to see you. Goodbye.